I finally decided to get what I would say, real action camera. I have previously been using a Casa, which is a Chinese manufacturer. The cameras are good, but they don't produce the kinds of quality that I would like to have. And so I'm trying out the DJI Osmo Action 3 camera to see how that fares. Now the Acasos I've used are on the low-cost end of the range, anywhere from $79 to a little over $100 depending on which model you're looking at. And then of course on the other end of the spectrum is the Hero 11 by GoPro, and I didn't really want to spend that kind of money for an action camera, so I kind of went in between with the DJI. So today what I'm going to be doing is basically reviewing the camera and its functionality and its capabilities. I purchased the DJI Osmo Action 3 Adventure Combo. This pack comes with the camera, a protective frame that surrounds the camera with an additional camera mounting position, 3 batteries, selfie stick. It comes with a sticky mount, 2 detachable mounts for the camera, 3 battery charger, thumb screws for mounting the camera on the mounts, an additional lens protector, and USB-C cable. Now I'm not going to go over the individual components. You can read about those on the website. I'll include the DJI link in the description. I'll also include the Amazon links in the description for the various parts and pieces I purchased. I did purchase a few extra things to round out the capabilities of the camera. I should also let you know that this is not sponsored in any way. I did purchase all of this equipment with my own money for my own interest, and just happened to be doing a review on the capabilities of the camera for you.
Thank you.